it's Michael from Culture Talk and Tours, and I'm here in Taipei City, Taiwan, at Fish Art Center, a gallery that I've come to a few times, and we're very lucky today because we have the artist in the show. This is Ciou Bo-Kai.
Yes.
Nice to meet you. Now, I saw one of your paintings with the dragon on Instagram, and I live in Hsinchu, and I got on the train today to see these paintings.
Appreciate it.
Yeah, so beautiful. So these paintings are with the stone mineral?
Yes, stone and water.
Okay, so it's like traditional Chinese or Japanese painting?
Yes, like a Japanese painting.
Okay. And these paintings here, is it on paper or?
On paper.
On paper. Rice paper?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
And are you working on one piece, or do you work on, you do a little here and then a little on another one?
Yes. This very many artwork together work.
Same time?
The same time.
Okay. Because I don't know if you know about traditional painting, you have to wait for it to dry.
Yes.
Yeah.
Because water 比较会晕开.
Yes, because the water's wet.
Yes.
And the paper's wet, so he's working on a couple. And the gallery associate was saying you're a teacher also?
Yes.
Okay. And did you study in Taiwan?
Yes. National Taiwan University of Art.
Okay.
In Banqiao.
Okay. And did you study painting? You studied art?
You studied art,
but you've always done the natural traditional painting, never oil painting or acrylic?
No. But maybe in future I can try.
Okay.
But now I wanted to use this.
Okay. Medium.
Yes.
This is the most comfortable.
My future. Art world.
Okay. So it is a traditional art form, but the size is very modern. Right? Because usually the traditional is like this, like a scroll, and now you're doing very big. So you kind of mix the traditional with the modern art together?
Yes.
Okay. Now, I just arrived here, but I can see there's lots of animals. So you're studying a lot of figures of animals?
Yes, I like drawing animal, because human cannot touch my heart.
Right.
Because animal just 具有一段距离
have more feeling for you.
The animal has
more connection?
Yes, and they with us have a space, so we can think.
Yes.
So I like animal
more than
people.
Yeah, many people like animal more than human, because especially animal in your house, you can take care of them like your child. But these are very big tiger. But I just love all the figures here. You got a little tiger drinking and some frog and everything. So this show is called Animal Plant.
Yes.
Okay. So I just arrived here. I'm so happy to meet the artist. We're gonna have a look, and we're gonna talk more with the artist about his show. Okay, so we've seen the show. Again, this is the artist Ciou Bo-Kai, English name Aaron. Aaron, this show is absolutely gorgeous. I told you today I came from Hsinchu. I didn't even sit on the train, there's no seats. And then I got the subway here. It is absolutely fabulous. I love all the animals, I love the different sizes. In this other room, you have the snake really down low, yes, and then the dragon. It's exactly what I want to see on a rainy Saturday morning. So I'm so happy that you're here in the gallery today. Now this one behind us sticks out because you can see a little bit of the shiny. So when you're using the mineral paints, you're actually crushing them and you add the water. And then this is something that, it's almost like texture,
yes,
like
yes,
a sand. So this one shows a lot of it because a lot of yours are in the traditional black and white,
yes,
colors, and then you have the blue and white.
Yes.
And the thing I like about this gallery is they do a very good job with lighting.
Okay.
So the blue and whites are absolutely beautiful.
Thank you.
It's a beautiful show. So this show is called Animal Planet here at Fish Art Center, Taipei City, Taiwan. It is here until June 7th, so you've got lots of time to see it. Again, yes, wonderful to meet you. We're going to stay in touch on Instagram. I want to see your new work. I want to see your studio. And we will see you on the next episode.